This is YFM-104MYCA, the auto metal prefromed U-top stop machine by computer control for number 5 metal zipper. Now we're going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please switch on the machine's power. And please make sure the air pressure is around 4.5 to 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and you can adjust the vibrator hopper's running speed. Once the speed is okay, you need to touch the screen. And for the operation, before the operation, you need to make sure the mode has U-top stop or not. Normally, do not have the U-top stop. You have to take it out, okay? So you have two options. One option is one-time cleaning. You press the one-time cleaning, and the top stop will come out, okay? But sometimes cannot come out. So you need to do by manual operation. You need to press the manual operation and press the pulling band mode, punching roll, and he will come out. And you need to use the pin or needle to clean up, okay? This is very important. Before you start the machine, there is no any U-top stop in the clip, okay? Once you confirm it's clean, and you please release the buttons and go back to the main screen, and you can see the product length. Normally we set up 1000. This is the maximum length, okay? And the request quantity is your order quantity. Now we set up 60 pieces. So once the setting is okay, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. This is the bottom stop side, this is the top stop side, okay? And please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. And please put the first gap here. And because the zippers, before we put into the transmission wheel, we need to do some manual operation. So you need to press the one cycle operation. So when you press the one cycle button, and please pull the zipper and return back, and you will make top stop, okay, for one side. And you need to do around 3 pieces. So we press the one cycle again, pull the zipper and push back. Okay, and one more time, one cycle, pull the zipper and push back. So you got 3 pieces of the zipper has the top stop. And please turn right the wheel, and the wheel turn left, the wheel goes up, turn right, it goes down. So please put the zipper into the transmission wheel like this, guiding. So please put the zipper into the transmission wheel, okay? And please turn right. It will press like this. And before you start the machine, please make sure the zipper goes through like this way. So once everything is okay, and you can press the start, the machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And you can see there is the operation, the manual operation, the one cycle operation. You can follow this instruction. So all the action you can control from here. And go back to the main screen, and there's a setting. The positioning delay time we set up to 8 milliseconds is when the hook goes up, and then the wheel need to run how much time more, and we set up 8 milliseconds. And hook pin delay time, now we set up 0. Okay, and for the machine working, now we only work for the left side top stop. So we use the left side only. The right side we do not use. So right side we use the rod to stop the top stop, so top stop will not go feeding. And also the right side, the spare part is flat. There is no any ankle for the U-top stop, so you cannot use the right side. This is just for the protection only. Okay, so the top stop only make it for the left side. Okay, so you just switch on the left side only. And the total quantity you can reset from here. There's a password. You can see the password 8008, enter. And you can see the low level password is 6686. The high level password is 8008. And the motor, the fast speed, we set up the 250. Okay, the motor slow speed we set up 150. And for the low level setting, the left feeding delay time we set up 18 milliseconds. Is controlling the cylinder to press and feed the top stop time. Okay, now we set up 18 for both sides. And the length of the gaping space we set up the 800 millimeter. Why we set up the 800 millimeter? Because for the manual operation you need to pull, and you need time, and you need to push back, so we make the gap is bigger. Okay, so this is only for the manual operation using. And the backward length 22. The backward length is when the zipper pull and the motor will return the zipper for the top stop attached. So you need to set up this data. This data now we set up the 22. And pull the top stop delay time is controlling this time. Okay, goes up, delay how much time. So we set up the 15 milliseconds. We go back to the main screen. If machine has any problem, the alarm review will show you where's the problem and what time happened. And for the machine adjustment, there is very important 3 parts you need to know. Because you give us the zipper, there's no bottom stop. Okay? But if you put the bottom stop, you need to adjust the position. So you need to release this screw, and you can adjust this screw to adjust the position of the U-top stop. Okay, so if there is the bottom stop, the position will be changed, and you need to adjust, release the screw here and adjust this for the correct position and tighten it. Okay, and second adjustment is the 2 screw here. Okay, the 2 screw here. This screw is controlling the bending mode height. When the bending mode goes down, it must equal with the feeding part. They must be equal. So this is control the bending mode height. Okay, and this screw is controlling when the top stop goes up, and which position in the clip is controlled by this screw. Okay, and sometimes you need to adjust the thickness of the top stop. You need to press more. You need to release 1, 2, 3 screws, and you can adjust this screw. If you turn clockwise, it press more. If you turn anti-clockwise, you press less. But when you turn anti-clockwise, you need to also push this part before you tighten it, because you need to adjust the position. So you need to press less, you need to adjust the anti-clockwise, but you need to push these parts and then tighten these 3 screws. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes need to adjust. Okay, if this is all okay, no need to adjust. You only sometimes need to adjust the position of the top stop. Okay, so Bob Messel is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.